Good morning from the Magic Kingdom. I think we're actually gonna have some blue skies today. So today is supposed to be the hottest day. I think I can get up to 87. So we will see how weather goes. We have opted to do a ferry boat to get on over to Magic Kingdom. Destination Magic Kingdom. Beautiful castle. Let's go. So they give you a dot to stand on back there, and then when you get on the ferry boat, you just find a dot and make sure everyone in your party is on that dot as well, so that way you're social distance and everyone is staying as safe as possible. The ferry boat headed to the AP line.
Hello friends, keep heading around to your...
Good morning, Noah.
Good morning.
Hi, Aaron, you're in. Still the scrim up on the train station. But if you know us, we're headed to space. We're being welcomed by the welcome crew. Yay, there's Daisy and Donald and Minnie and Mickey in their birthday outfits. How cute! Come along and sing the song and join the jamboree. M-I-C-K-E-Y-M-O-U-S-E.
That's how I spell it. It's kind of hard for me, so I just say
Yeah, just spell it in your head. Running around, some head grass fun. People getting pictures. Yeah, little birds on Tinkerbell's line. So Mike and I were just discussing what percentage we think go to Seven Dwarfs Mine Train first. And I was thinking like 60 to 70. Yeah. It's not new, that's been there.
Well, what is that?
I know, I never noticed.
Oh.
What is that?
We'll go. It's like a dragon topiary.
That's cool.
Like a serpent. It's like a sea serpent, actually, I guess.
saw that.
Not a dragon. Yep, Disney is amazing with all their gorgeous details. They are testing the people mover. Looks like it's moving.
It's like it's running.
I can't see because it's too dark, I think. But
I can see it keeps moving.
oh, there you go. You can maybe see it behind me. We have missed the people mover so much. Like, so much. I almost actually brought my people mover shirt just to sit over by it and cry.
Come back to me.
But it's nice to see that they're testing it, they're moving.
I hope that's
So
open.
fingers crossed.
I hope that it's open one more so here for me to try.
It's not supposed to be. It's they pushed it back until I think it's like the end of February or beginning of March, I think. So we'll see.
Well, at least they're actually getting moving.
That's true. Time for some space though.
I guess the thing if you have 80s,
I always love this. I know, I always love that.
air flying everywhere.
It's like, whoa, we're having so much fun.
We got masks on and we're actually going through space.
Trap.
So we went on space, we came out I heard the Dapper Dans. We tried to hustle over here, but we just missed them. They're further up Main Street now by like the train station. And we're headed to Big Thunder because if Daddy gets his ride first thing in the morning, so does Mommy. Okay, here's some castle views this morning. Oh, that's true. You do see the top of Big Thunder through there.
For the health and safety of everyone, face coverings must fully cover your nose and mouth and be worn at all times, except when actively eating or drinking while stationary. Guests that do not comply will be asked to leave.
Just to give you an idea, the park's been open 24 minutes. A lot of 5-minute rides. I don't know if they can even see this. But it says Jumps Up Haunted Mansion's 10, Speedway's 10, Astro River's 15, Peter Pan's 20, Big Thunder 30, Splash 45, Space is now 60. Oh, Seven Dwarfs is down. That's a problem. Pretty busy over here. So it says it's a 30-minute wait for Big Thunder. Oops, gotta stop here. 45-minute wait for Splash. These kids are already complaining it's hot. This is our first hot day. Well, actually, Epcot was a little hot, but that was only after the rain. Hot day?
Yeah, it's 86, I think.
Yes. Hey, get up, guys. Move up to that step.
The sun's out, it feels hot.
Yes, it does. Because it says it's only 75, but it definitely feels hotter in the sun. So the line takes you all the way down, up and through the train station. At least get a little bit of shade up here, huh, buddy? Oh wow, it's all the way through. Just be careful of the water, honey.
The other day too, where
Yeah, they're working on the track down there.
they tore up all the tracks.
They did, I know, it's nothing. That's crazy.
Now for 2.5 years.
I know. Does anybody know when the train will be back up? I guess after Tron or right before Tron.
At some point, once Strong can
Yeah. With little ones, it was a nice way to get from like the front to the back, like to Fantasyland, a lot quicker. So it would be nice to have that back for guests. Waiting in line and the Liberty Bell's going by. Look, Aaron, the Liberty Bell. Look at all the smoke coming from the stacks. See it, the steam? I like this one. Strange smell.
It's like Luke's room.
Tommy knockers.
Because I get lots of mommies.
The wildest ride in the wilderness!
Action over here now. I think we're gonna brave Splash, even though it's a very long wait. I'm surprised Mike agreed to do it, but I know Aaron wants to do it, so Daddy's gonna grab some popcorn though. It's hot out, even though I feel much better after being on Big Thunder. Easy breezy there, so it says 70 minutes. So the boys wanted to show me what they look like on Big Thunder Ragdoll. What'd you look like?
I look down.
Well, that's because you guys are little and that seat you slide like so much on. Me and Daddy don't really move too much.
Whenever there was a turn, you would like turn. I did it for Space Mountain and Aaron. I was like looking at my head. He's like, "What are you doing?"
They were asking why I didn't want to do a ragdoll on the line, like just let the ride take me where I want to. And if I did that, I probably would be seriously injured. When you're old, you can't do that stuff.
It's better on Space Mountain because you know, like you can't like slide around a lot. It's just like your head that moves.
Yeah. Yeah, that's true.
So Space Mountain's like the best to do.
Yeah.
Like I can do that too.
Oh, at least we're in the shade now. See, it's not bad when you're all shaded and nice.
And popcorn's on the way.
Yeah. That was so much fun. So we actually got our own boat, or log. Noah and Aaron sat in the front and me and Mike sat in the back. And they turned off a lot of the extra water things because there was a couple opportunities we could have definitely have gotten totally soaked. And luckily we didn't, so good job, guys. Yeah, but not like, oh yeah, I guess you did. Maybe because you sat in the front and we sat in the back. I don't know. We're feeling super hungry now, so I think we're gonna head to lunch.
Oh, isn't it great?
I'm not sure, either that or Pecos Bill maybe. I forgot to tell you, so the wait time went down when we were in line. It said 45 minutes and it did take 45 minutes, but now the wait time is 105 minutes. So it's definitely a lot longer. I'm glad we did a little earlier. It's the end of Haunted Mansion. Cray cray. Though at Christmas it was way up there and it was only like a 10-minute because it was a walk-on, but there definitely seemed to be just standing now versus walking. I forgot to show you guys, or maybe I did. Oh, the castle in front of it with the hedges and stuff. So I don't know if they're redoing for a stage show or for TV possibly. Some more gorgeous views from around the park as we make our way to Starlight Cafe. See Sunny Clips. Kids wanted, this was the kids' choice. They wanted chicken and I think a hot dog, I don't know. We got our food at Cosmic Rays and Mike talked me into the spicy chicken sandwich and it's actually really good. I was telling him it doesn't look like much, but it's got a good amount of spice to it. Aaron got chicken nuggets. He's using his reusable straw. Daddy got a cheeseburger. And Noah got a foot long.
Even half of it is bigger than his head.
But instead of Sunny Eclipse, we opted for a castle view for lunch. Isn't that gorgeous? I'll eat at Cosmic Rays if it means getting this view. That's true, that's true. All right, well, thanks for following along with us today. Go live your DisGoals. Bye.
Bye.